How to invest in gold and silver bullion. Many investors are looking into how to invest in gold and silver. Silver has gained in value over recent years, although gold has continued to soar in price as the prices for oil and other metals continue to rise. As these trends continue, investors will find that the future holds the promise of greater returns on investment. In recent years, governments across the world have issued large amounts of silver coins. These coins are commonly purchased by investors by way of banks or private investors through online dealers at a discount of about 10% above their current gold value. Investors that purchase coins will often hold onto them for a period of time in order to gain the most benefit. If the price of gold is going to continue to rise, gold investors could see great profits in a relatively short period of time. One of the first methods for investors to begin to invest in gold bullion is through investing in gold futures contracts. Gold futures contracts allow investors to trade the future sale of gold for a certain amount of cash. This process allows investors to reap the benefits of selling gold for cash and also allows them to trade the metal without having to actually hold on to it. The gold market in general has experienced a number of changes over the past year. Many investors are finding that the value of gold is more stable now than it has been over the last several years, especially as oil prices continue to rise. Investors who are interested in how to invest in gold can get a great deal of help by looking into investing in gold futures. If you are interested in how to invest in gold futures, you will need to determine which companies you are going to purchase your coins from. Investing in gold futures requires you to determine how much of the metal you want to purchase and when. You also need to look into how much you are willing to pay for your coins before buying them. Investing in gold futures also involves you looking into how much of the metal you should purchase on a regular basis. If you are an investor that has a steady flow of money coming into your account, then you may not need to buy gold every day, but instead, you may only need to buy gold when you have a large increase in your account balance. Another consideration of how to invest in gold futures involves how you are going to sell your coins to another investor. Most investors that are looking into this option are looking for a safe and secure place to sell your coins. It is often a good idea to have a professional broker or company to handle your transactions if you do not want to deal with this process on your own. Brokers are usually able to analyze the market to ensure that you receive the best return on your investment and will be guaranteed to get you the best possible deal on your investments. Investing in gold and silver is a good way to make money. You will likely be able to make even better money than you would be investing in gold by choosing to invest in gold and silver bullion as a way to invest in gold. When you invest in gold and silver bullion, you will not only be getting a steady stream of return on your investments, but you will also be gaining a secure way to buy and sell your investment. You may even find that this form of investing will help you diversify your portfolio and lower your overall risk. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about wealth building and investing.